Hello guys, welcome to Wardrobe Park. Your destination is information about the all thing of tracks, customization and maintenance. So my name is Steven and today we're exploring the world of aftermarket part. Today is focused especially to the side market lab. But first, let's start with a brief introduction about our company. Wardrobe Park is a company committed in the quality and customer satisfaction, providing top-tier aftermarket components. That's for the track enthusiasts like you. So let's come over. The aftermarket is a game changer for track owners, offering any array of benefits from performance upgrade to customer styling. All prices are very competitive. So in Wardrobe Park, our work is dedicated to bring you the best in the industry and ensuring like every part meet the highest standard. So now let's do like a zoom in our product for today, our side market lamp. So what is the side market lamp? The side market lamp is not just like any accessory. The side market lamp is your safety accessory. So they can enhance your track visibility, especially in the low light condition, and ensuring you're seen by the other drivers in the road. But do you know that the aftermarket side market lamp can do more than this? So there are so many people maybe they don't know the side market lamp. Where is it? So over here I have a picture and I show you where is the side market lamp. Okay guys, like over here we have two samples. So we can say like the first one is sample 1 and then we have the sample 2. So our side markets, we have different prices over here. So I'm gonna tell you directly. Like over here, this one, the simple one, is very cheaper, and then the simple 2 is almost, we can say, it's a little bit expensive. Yeah, but so I'm gonna tell you why. So let's start first for the material. The material over here we have, as you can see, of course inside we have 6 legs, and then let's look outside. How is it? So over here, and then over here, the lines. Yeah, this is the simple 1. Okay, so right now let's start with the simple 2. We can't even see how many lights they have inside, but we know there are 6 also. So let's look first from outside. You can see the material is not the same. Yeah, it's not the same material. So let's see the lines. Okay, the lines, they are not also the same. Yeah. Okay guys, right now I'm going to explain you like how is component downstairs before we connect the electricity. So let's start for the simple 1. The simple 1 over here we can see, let me check it out. Okay, we can see over here it's not very smaller. See, it's not very small. So in the raining day, maybe the water can go in. So it's not very smaller. Okay, this is the simple 1. So right now let's see the simple 2. Yeah, let's put it up. Okay, so over here you can see the simple 2 is too smaller. Yeah, it's too smaller. So in the future can help you to prevent the water going in. Yeah, it's very small over here. Okay, this is the component downstairs inside the side market lamp. So right now guys, let's try to put the electricity inside and let's see which one is more lighter than the other one. Okay, so right now let's go to test it. Okay, let's start first with the simple 1. Okay, let's put this one over here. Okay, 1. The other one put it here. Okay, start with the simple 2. One and 2. Okay. So let's wait a minute. Let me put out the lights inside the room. Okay. And 2. Okay, guys. As can you see, which one is more lighter? Of course, is the simple 2. It's more lighter than simple 1. Yeah. You see? This is the simple 2. And this is the simple 1. Okay. Our side market lamps are designed to exceed expectations. They feature the latest LED technology, offering brighter illumination and a longer lifespan in comparison to the traditional bulbs. So our side markets, they are very suitable to for Volvo VN and VL 2008 and to more models of truck. Your safety is our top priority. Okay guys, if you want to buy our product, what you should do? Okay, to buy our product or another aftermarket truck part, you can draw directly to our website worktruckpart.com, and we offer like fast shipping and a very exceptional customer service. That is because we want to ensure your shopping experience in our company. That's all for today for the side market lamps. So next time we're gonna talk about with a new products. So over here we have a new light, and we're gonna talk about for it in the next video. If you have any idea or you want to know more about this light before we make that video, you can make a comment and let us know like what do you think about this light, or how do you use it in your truck, whatever, anything. We're gonna see that in the comment. So the most important thing, remember, your satisfaction is our goal. Share this video to the fellow enthusiasts of truck parts and let us know like which truck part you are very enthusiastic to try in the comment, and let's see that in the next video. Thank you guys and bye.